From GFIRE, they sent me their quick release lightweight vest.
Oh yeah.
So this fits pretty loose right out of the box. I am 6 foot tall and 200 pounds. So if you're a bigger guy, this will definitely fit you. I need to tighten this up a bit. So let's check out these pouches. For the side plates, I got these little pouches here. So I've never seen this before. Take your level 4 ceramic plates, your little side plates, and you put it in this little sleeve. And the sleeve has a Velcro on it, so you can put it inside the pouch on the side of the vest. So you can easily remove and shove plates in and out of your vest. So that's pretty neat, and fits really well.
That's pretty cool.
And if you see the inside of the vest there, it's got that mesh. So if you're playing airsoft all day and getting sweaty, you're going to be a little bit breathable, rather than like overheating in your plate carrier or your vest. So that's neat. I like that feature. Tightened up a bit. Checking the fit. Got your side plates right there. Looking at all this molly. Let's shove some airsoft magazines in here. Airsoft pistol mags. I didn't demo the quick release latches, but those are pretty nifty, and you obviously see those in Call of Duty characters. And that's one of the characteristics I look for when getting a vest, is trying to match everything up just right. Boom.